Now that we have created our account and we have changed our settings to how we would like them, let's go ahead and look at scheduling our first meeting. To schedule your first meeting, you have two options to access this. First, you can click Schedule a Meeting up top here if you're using the zoom.us web browser function, or you can go ahead and click Meetings over here. And regardless, it will take you essentially into the same area. If I click Schedule a Meeting, it takes me directly to the Schedule a Meeting. If I click Meetings, then I have to go over here and click Schedule a Meeting. What I can then do is set up my meeting. So I'll call this one Test Meeting for this purposes. I can add a description, so when this goes out to my participants, they know what's going on. I can select time and date. And say, let's schedule it for next Friday, for instance, and maybe at 2:30 p.m. It'll be about an hour long. This is not a recurring meeting. However, if you are needing to schedule a recurring meeting, make sure to click that checkbox, and then you can choose the reoccurrence time period from daily, weekly, monthly, or no fixed specific time. And you can have it repeat depending on what you choose. So if I do daily, I can say it repeats daily. If I have a weekly meeting, I can have it repeat weekly, and then choose the dates for that. And then also select an end by date or after so many occurrences. I encourage you to use the end by date when scheduling a reoccurring meeting. Next is passcode. You can select a passcode and a waiting room. Again, you have the ability to change video and how that will work in your meetings. For mine, I can set it to off. I don't want my video to start. I don't want my participant video to start. I can allow my participants to come in either by telephone, computer, or computer audio. I can toggle that so they can only join by computer audio or by telephone if I would like to. I like to keep it as both. And here in meeting options, we can allow participants to join anytime. I don't recommend that. That means they can join before you. And mute participants on entry. This is a feature you should always keep in there. And here you can also schedule your co-host or alternative host to this meeting. Once you have this meeting set, we can click Save, and then we have the option to either start this meeting right away. We can add it to our Google Calendar. We can copy the invitation and send it out that way. And if we would like to, we can actually create polls that our students or participants can access, or you can access, and then push that out to them during the meeting as well. Just a nice little feature, especially good for teachers in the classroom to do check for understandings with your virtual kids. All right, that's all there is for scheduling a meeting. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me directly. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can always leave your question in the comment section below.